Hello everybody. This is just going to be a quick video to get you guys updated on what's going on. I just want to say thank you for all the well wishes and everything that you guys have posted and emailed me. I really appreciate it. I am on the healing aspect of my surgery. For those of you that, I really didn't get involved in what type of cancer I have or anything like that because it's a female type and I might have younger kids here. But anyways, I'm still having issues sitting upright. Right now I'm in my chair that I normally paint in and everything, and it's kind of hard to sit here. I have a catheter and everything in me yet, which I'll have for a few more weeks. And on a good note, after my surgery, my margins came back clear, which they were 95% sure that would not happen. And so I'm not quite sure yet if I'm going to need radiation or not. It's still up in the air. My clear margins were less than 1 millimeter. So I had a recurrence last year, and then 6 months later again. I think they're leaning towards still doing radiation, but I don't know until the doctors decide. So my channel's still going to be kind of sporadic, and I know I haven't posted anything in 2 weeks because quite frankly I couldn't sit this good until today. So I'm in here. I'm going to try and do a time lapse, but it might take me a day or two to get it done. I don't know how long it's going to take. But I just wanted to make a quick video and let you guys know that I'm still around. I will be back. Sorry for my dress, but I'm getting hot and cold flashes and all that kind of stuff. And so 1 minute I'm sweating, the next minute I'm freezing. And, it's all just part of the healing process. So I'm doing well, though. I mean, I'm doing way better than I thought I'd be doing at this point. So I just wanted to say hi, and I don't know if I'm going to add a time lapse to the end of this or if I'm just going to work on it and post it later this week. But I just wanted to say thank you to everybody, and thank you to all the new subscribers and that. I will be back to my regular daily schedule hopefully soon. I don't know, because if I end up having radiation, that's another 6 weeks of I don't know how I'm going to feel. So just touching base and saying hi, and hope you all are doing well. And click the notification bell if you don't have it on, because I intend to be posting some videos here and there, just not daily yet. And I thank you all, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.